Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI. If you've been on the hunt for a good flat iron, Cricut has the one for you. I really love how fast this heats up. I set it to 400 degrees and I felt like I blinked and it was there. It literally took a little over a minute. Now let's get into the performance. One pass, you heard me, one pass is all I needed and my hair was straight. And because it's infused with argan oil and keratin, it left my hair so smooth, shiny, and soft. I'm not kidding, my hair looked luxurious. I just wanted to flip it around and play with it all day long. It goes all the way up to 450 degrees, which I found handy for my wigs. I've been dying to straighten this wig, but I haven't been able to because my previous flat iron only got up to 400 degrees and that wasn't hot enough. With this flat iron, my dreams have finally been able to come true and I was finally able to straighten my wig. Because my hair and the wig's hair actually is on the thicker side, it usually takes me a bit to straighten it. So the fact that this was a nice shape, a nice size, and lightweight was a big deal for me. I mean, look at the silk and look at the shine. I absolutely love the way my hair turned out and that's my point of view.